Welcome to Blue Bike Doyle's channel with another episode of Dickin in the Shed. Got me some more of that good loom stuff that we can be looming up stuff. Illuminati. What we doing? Oh yeah, part 2 of we get to use this saw. Lucille goes under the knife. We cut the holes with a 6x9. Plus I gotta redo, well not really redo, but improve on the wiring issues. Let's do that. Run that intro. Welcome back. So we've been prepping the stage, so to speak. So got the saddlebag off. Here we'll show you with the saddlebag off what I'm doing here. Get down here where you can see. Come on down. Come on down. Price is right. It's free. Free knowledge. So here's my 6 and 5 pin. That's for in and that's for out. Yeah, in for out, and that goes over there at the end on that. These the power wire going down to these force capacitors, flux capacitor. So once I get up to 88 miles an hour, they'll start glowing. You know how that goes. Back in time. So now I got to put my wire into the amps, and that's all I got to do when I get ready to take the speakers off. I hope I can do that with a limp back. I should. I'll give myself enough room. There's nothing going to hit, as you can see. Can you see? I got some light on the situation. Alright, and so what I did, I was going to use some nerd certs and drill holes, and that boat wasn't long enough to do anything. I thought about bolting it straight down, but I like that. It's tucked away. Saddlebag sticks right here, flush right here, so that's not going to be in the way. And now I got your 2 more holes in the saddlebags for those. Filled 2 more holes over there with some hot glue. Keep the water out. That's your antenna that I don't never use. It's a 50 cal fake bullet, 57 Cadillac tail lenses, muffler, saddlebag thingy. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, these. So all I gotta do is unscrew these caps, drop them down, and then I can take the saddlebags off. I won't have to worry about the wire don't have to undo it from the amp, so everything can be done out here. Actually, that's a good plan. So now I'm gonna put the saddlebag back on, guesstimate where them holes are gonna be, drill the holes, put everything back together, and then start drilling the holes, cutting the holes, marking the holes, cut the saddlebags, put the 6x9s in. We'll be ready to ride. Woohoo! Woohoo! Wound up. Well, hello. How y'all doing? So we'll just put some lights on the section. Alright, put some up painter's tape down. Can you see? Let's get you right here where you can see. And then here's your template that you're going to lay out. And you can see there's a right and left. This is the left side, clutch side, some people call it. So you want to mark the hose. Can I get in? I don't know if I'm marking or not. I don't think I am. I need a finder. Yep, I'm not doing it. I didn't think I was. I need a pencil or something to get down in there. Great. Great. Let me get a pen. Pen, yeah. I believe I got a black Phoenix Entertainment pen out somewhere. know I did, because I wrote some notes down. Notes here, notes. Well, anyway, I think it's in the saddlebags, and I don't want to open it. So I got North Cold baggers. I see this a week down in there. No, yeah, I don't see much from them. I don't think I watch them much anymore. I don't even know if they still making videos, and that's not going to work either, huh? It won't get down in the... Well, take 3. Alright. Back to the drawing board. That should work. Safety tip, make sure you close your knife back up. You don't want to get that in there. Yeah, let's see. Is that going to work? Nope. Yeah. Might need a... That'll work. Let me do the other side. Let me do the other side. And then these marks, you drill holes so you can put your saw down. And, yeah. I'm going to stay to the inside of that line. Yep, I sure will. Alright, let me do the other side. Well, I done did all that. I showed you what I did. You just want to see a picture. The picture's worth 1,000 words, right? You got here to watch the video. So I guess I'll show you what I did on the other side, but this side's almost perfect. Almost. Hey, anybody? This is I'll put the stickers inside the saddlebags. I might have a souvenir for somebody. Who wants a piece of mine? We got Tail of the Dragon. Well, actually, I did a pretty good job. So, I don't know. I thought I might. I was supposed to go down in there farther. I don't see. Maybe I needed to trim some more. You can always, I guess. As long as it's sealed, and it's sealed. I got the bolts to line up. So I didn't have to call Repeat Bobby to redo everything I just did like I did putting the amp in. He stayed busy, yep. Only problem I had is this screw right here. I can't see it. And it's way down in there. Alright. Now let's put the speaker in. And we'll be done with this side. Almost. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and cut this side. Get it installed. So, what I'm going to do is stay to the outside of this line. Hopefully. How good are you coloring in line? I might need some more. I think I got enough. Only problem is this right here gets in the way. It's good to open it. Yep, I could do that. So let's get it going. one, get straight back. Oh, we got ride with God, what is his name? Cecil? No. Celsius. Oh, that was a classic. That was a Motorcycle Mama. Ooh. Alright, we got them put in. All I like is putting in my wires thing, but I got a work called, and yeah, that goes. They call, you go. You call, we go. Anyway, I appreciate you watching. I know we didn't show you much. Pretty simple kit. Go check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here. It's free. And I don't know what's next on Dickin' Around in the Shed. Later.